So let's say you are waiting for the page to be updated in a certain time, and only after that you want to go ahead and then scrape off the data off of that particular page. In that case, you can actually go ahead and add in scheduled scraping tasks to Thunderbit as well. So to do that, over here on the right hand side, you can see that scheduled task is an option. Simply go ahead and click right here, and you can go ahead and add in a scheduled task. So I can simply go ahead and give a source URL, let's say for example, or URLs if you want. And for the pagination, let me just go ahead and let AI handle it out. And I'm going to say until end right here. Let me just click on next right here and choose AI suggested field, and it'll go ahead and access that page and will generate out the fields for you as well. So you can go ahead and add in more content if you want to. Let me just go ahead and click on next, and now you can see that I can go ahead and set it to daily or weekly or monthly scraping right here. So let's say on a daily basis, I want the data to be scraped at 6:15 a.m. right here, and you can go ahead and choose the time range as well, and you can add in an alert through email or Slack as well. So let me just go around over here, and I'm going to go ahead and type in TutorTube channel at gmail.com right here as alert right here. You can even go ahead and sign into Slack and then connect it out for the alert as well. So once that is done, you can go ahead and test run as well to see how the scraping actually works. You can stop it out right here, and then you can click on save and turn on. And once you do that, you can see that this data scraping is now scheduled. You can go ahead and turn it off or turn it on whenever you want. And then what happens is that now this will basically run on its own. You can go ahead and click on add right here and go to another page, let's say for example, and paste this out. Let AI handle the pagination right here. Let me just go ahead and enter out manually right here, like for example, name and then position right here, just like this. And let me just go ahead and click on next right here. And once that is done, you can go ahead and add in an alert again. So let's just go around and add in TutorTube channel at gmail.com right here for the email right here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click on run, and this is what you have. So now you got this task right here, which runs daily right here, just like this. So this is the schedule. As you can see, you can go ahead and turn it off as well and change this out as well. For example, you can go for weekly on Monday right here, or Thursday and Saturday. You can choose the weeks as well. And you can even go for monthly right here and choose each of the day for the month as well, just like this. And then choose as you like and click on save to go ahead and choose how the task will be scheduled, basically just like that. So that is basically how you can go ahead and add in a scheduled task inside of Thunderbit. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.